Right. Good evening, children. Yeah, so we are now going to see the answers to the questions which you were supposed to draw in the last 15 minutes of the previous class. Okay, if you have not done it, work it now. If you have already completed, check your answers. So a number divided by 2, or number x divided by 2, and then increased by 5 is 9. Is this correct? Yeah. Next one. The sum of twice x number. Okay, the sum of twice x number and 4 is 18. So I think I've made some mistake while typing. So we'll take this, the sum of twice a number x and 4 is 18. The sum of, so the sum of, see the sum of twice the number x, twice the number x, the number is x, twice the number x is 2x, correct? So the sum of twice the number x and 4 is 18. A stands for the equal to sign, correct? Okay, the sum of twice the number x and 4 is equal to 18. Okay. The age of Sohan Lal is 4 times that of his son Amit. If the difference of their ages is 27 years, find the age of Amit. The age of Sohan Lal is 4 times that of his son Amit. So how do we start? We need to find Amit's age. So we'd say let Amit's age be X years. Okay, so let Amit's age be X years. Who's Sohan Lal? Who's Sohan Lal? Father. Amit is the son. Sohan Lal is the father. So his age will be 4 into X because he's 4 times his son's age. Therefore, Sohan Lal's age is equal to 4 times the son's age. So 4 into X or 4X years. Okay. So whenever we have to solve a word problem in simple equations, you need to use a part of the information. You need to divide the information in the question into 2 parts. Okay. When we have to solve a word problem from simple equations, we have to divide the information in the question into 2 parts. Use one part for assuming and the other part of the information for constructing the equation. So there are 2 things, assumption and constructing the equation. Assuming is this one, assumption or assuming is now what we've written, let Amit's age be X years. Therefore, Sohan Lal's age is equal to 4X years. So this forms the assumption part of the answer. Okay. Next is to construct the equation. For that, you should not use the same, meaning you should use, now see here. Let me be specific. So we have used the information from here to here for the assumption, right? The age of Sohan Lal is 4 times that of his son Amit. We have used this information to do the assumptions. Let the son's age be X years, so the father's age is 4X years. We have used the information only from here to here. Now this is done. So don't try to use this information again to construct the equation. That we have used this information for assuming the ages of the son and the father. Agree, all of you? Now, have we used this information? Difference of their ages is 27 years. Have we used this information? No. So we are going to use this information to construct the equation, solve the equation, and find the value of x, which is Amit's age. See, so we divide the question into two parts like this. See, the age of Sohan Lal is 4 times that of his son Amit. This is for assuming. This is for assuming. If the difference of their ages is 27 years, this is for constructing the equation. Once you construct the equation, you solve the equation and find the value of x. And x here is the age of the son Amit. So let Amit's age be x years. Therefore, Sohan Lal's age is equal to 4x years. Assumption is over. Now equation. Difference of their ages. Difference of their ages is equal to 27 years is given in the question. So difference of their ages meaning father's age minus son's age is equal to 27. Correct? It cannot be son's age minus father's age is equal to 27. Correct? 27 is positive. Then you should write the bigger number first and then the smaller number, right? See, 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So if the difference is negative, then you write the smaller quantity first and then the larger quantity. If the difference is negative, you have a minus 5. Then write the smaller quantity first and then the larger quantity. When the difference is positive, then it's the big number minus a small number. Difference of the ages is 27. Father's age minus son's age is equal to 27. Father's age is 4x. Minus son's age is x is equal to 27. 4x minus x is 3x. 3x is equal to 27. Now 3 and x are in multiplication. So 3 into x. Yeah, so 3 when you transpose, it goes for division to the other side. So x is equal to 27 divided by 3. Because it is 3 into x here. X and 3 are connected by the multiplication operation. So when you transpose 3, when you take 3 to the other side, it goes for division, divided by 3, which is 9. X is equal to 9, meaning the age of the son or Amit's age is equal to 9 years. Therefore, Amit's age is equal to 9 years. Right on. If you have any questions, please ask me. Yeah. Okay. You want me to repeat the explanation for this answer? Danya? Okay. Yes. Okay. 4x minus 1x is 3x. I'll tell you how. 4x minus x. Okay, so x means 1x. 4x minus 1x. Now, 4x and 1x, they're like terms. When you subtract like terms, the result also will be a like term. So you will get x. 4x minus 1x is some x. Some x it will be. 4x minus 1x is some x. Okay, so 4 minus 1, 3. 3x. Done writing this one, all of you? Yeah. Two times a number increased by 5 equals 9. Two times a number, meaning 2 into x, okay, which is 2x. 2x increased by 5 plus 5 equals 9. You've completed all this, Danya? Is this right? Okay. Shall I go to the next one? Have you tried this one, all of you? Okay. Okay, so listen. In a bag, the number of 1 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins. And the worth of both the coins is 120 rupees. I'll do the corrections, okay? I don't know why so many errors, or maybe in the book itself, like whatever is in the book is typed. So maybe there's a printing error in the book itself, because I don't think so many mistakes is really possible. In a bag, the number of 1 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins, and the worth of both the coins is rupees 120. When you count the value of money, it's 120 rupees. Find the number of 2 rupee coins. Okay. So what's the situation? You have a bag and you have some 1 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins in the bag. Okay. And the relation between the 1 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins is that the number of 1 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins. Like supposing you have 5 2 rupee coins, you have 15 1 rupee coins. The number of 1 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins. So which one you have more? 1 rupee coins you have more. Read again. Number of 1 rupee coins is 3 times. 1 rupee coins is 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins. So 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins is the number of 1 rupee coins. 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins. So 2 rupee coins you have into 3. That is the number of 1 rupee coins. See, that's what is given. Number of 2 rupee coins. Okay, number of 2 rupee coins. 3 times. So 3 into number of 2 rupee coins is the number of 1 rupee coins. Okay. So we are given that number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins. Okay, so we'll call this as x. We'll call this one as x. Let the number of 2 rupee coins be x. Therefore, number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 3x. Okay. We have 2 rupee coins. The number of 2 rupee coins into 3 is the number of 1 rupee coins. So let the number of 2 rupee coins be x. X into 3. 3x is the number of 1 rupee coins. Is given very clearly in the question. So for that, we need to read the question and understand what is given. If we simply read, give a quick, fast reading, nothing. Read slowly so that you understand. You should read to understand, not read to read the question. Don't read to simply read the question. Read to understand what is given in the question. So slow reading. Okay, pause. Every 3-4 words you read, you should understand what it is. Then the whole thing is clear. So this is about the number of coins. Okay, so what will be the value of money? value of all 1 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins is equal to, now supposing you have 10 1 rupee coins. How many? 10 1 rupee coins. So what's the value of money you have? 1 into 10, 10 rupees. So how do you find the value of money? Whatever is the denomination into the number of coins or number of notes you have. Now we are talking about 1 rupee coins. So supposing you have 15 1 rupee coins, what's the value of money you have? The denomination is 1 rupee and number of coins is 15. So 1 into 15, 15 rupees. So how do you find the value of money? Whatever is the denomination is 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 50 rupees. That's the denomination. The denomination into the number of coins or the number of notes, whatever. Okay. Because we have coins and notes, right? So into the number of coins or number of notes will give you the value. Now, supposing you have 2 rupee notes, 2 rupee notes. So this is the denomination. 2 rupees is the denomination. Now, say you have 15 2 rupee notes. How many? 15. So into 15. 30 rupees you have. You have 30 rupees. So how to find the value of the money you have? Denomination into the number of notes or number of coins. So what is it? How do you find the value of all 1 rupee coins? What's the denomination? 1 rupee into how many you have? X. X. No. 3x. You have 3x, right? 3x. So what's the value of all the 1 rupee coins? Rupees 3x. Rupees 3x. What's the value of all 2 rupee coins? 2 rupee coins. So what's the denomination? 2. 2 is the denomination. Into how many you have? X. So the value of all the 2 rupee coins is rupees 2x. So what's the total value of money you have? Total value of money. No. What's the total value of money here? Rupees 3x plus 2x, 5x. Correct? Total value of money is equal to 5x. Okay, let me write 3x. Total value of money is equal to 3x plus 2x is equal to rupees 5x. But it's given in the question that the worth of both the coins, that is the value of the coins, is 120 rupees. Where value of all 2 rupee coins is 2 into x. 2 is the denomination and number of coins is x. What do you want me to write actually? ஏன்னா நான் சொல்றச்சு நீ கவனிக்காம நீ எழுதிட்டே இருந்த. I didn't want to like disturb you. I just assumed that உனக்கு தெரியும் அதனால நீ கவனிக்கலன்னு. நான் அதுதான் சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன். No, I don't mind repeating, but அதனால தான் stop writing. But I'm talking, please stop writing. Even if you know, you should always listen as if you don't know. Only then you can receive, you can understand what I'm trying to express here. If you listen like, அதான் ஸ்கூல்ல படிச்சாச்சு எனக்கு எல்லாம் தெரியும் அப்படின்னு நீங்க கவனிச்சீங்கன்னா நான் சொல்றது simply to go above your head. You'll not try to take it into your ears and process it in your mind. You'll just go above your head. You should listen as if you really don't know this. I'll repeat, but let's not do it again. I'll finish it and I'll rework. Yeah. So now what's the total value of money given in the question? 120 rupees. But what is it we have in the form of an expression? 5x. So 5x is equal to 120 is the equation. 5x is the total value of money. 120 is also the total value of money. How much you have with you? 120 rupees. But what's the total value of money we have here? 5x. Both are equal, no? 5x is equal to 120. So that's the equation. You should solve this equation and find the value of x. Okay. Okay. Total value of money is equal to 5x, but the value of money is equal to rupees 120. Therefore, 5x is equal to 120. Multiplication, it's 5 into x, so it goes for division to the other side, 5. So 120 divided by 5, x is equal to 5 ones are 5 twos are, x is equal to 20. So what is x? The number of 2 rupee coins. So therefore, the number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 24. The number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 24. Let's take down this answer. We'll do it again. I'll just tell you the various steps you have to go through to construct the equation. So in a situation like this, which involves money, okay, so it can be notes or coins. In a situation like this, you'll have to, now here it is 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coins, right? So you need to assume the number of 1 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins. Assume the number of 1 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins, okay? And after that, find the value of all the 1 rupee coins, find the value of all the 2 rupee coins. You must start like, let the number of 1 rupee coins be something. Therefore, the number of 2 rupee coins is equal to something. Or let the number of 2 rupee coins, let the number of 2 rupee coins be something. Therefore, the number of 1 rupee coins is equal to something. That's the assumption. After that, now what have you assumed? The number of coins you've assumed. How many? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count. Okay. Next, you should find the value. Next, you should find the value. What is the value of all the 1 rupee coins you have? So that will be denomination into number of coins. How do you find the value of all the 1 rupee coins you have? Denomination, that's the, you can take it as a formula. Okay, so denomination 1 rupee into number of coins, say x. So not here, okay, I'm saying like, okay, so 1 into x, 1x, or simply x is the value of all the 1 rupee coins. Next, value of all the 2 rupee coins. What's the denomination? 2. And supposing the number of coins is 5x. So 2 into 5x, 10x. Denomination is 2 rupees. Denomination is 2 rupees. How many 2 rupee coins you have? 5x. So 2 into 5x, 10x will be the value of all the 2 rupee coins. So according to this example, what is the total value of money? 10x plus 1x, 11x. The total value of money is equal to 10x plus 1x, 11x. But in the question, the value of money will be given to you. Okay, so 11x is equal to the value of the money given in the question. That's the equation. Solve the equation to find the value of x. We'll work this again. Take down. Have you done? Have you worked the answer? Yeah. Which slide should I present? This one? Okay. Yeah, done. How's it going, Satakshi? Easy? Ouch. Easy? Okay. Sure. Handwriting. Oh, we are finished? Okay, okay. No, I don't know if you're working the next sum or you're doing this one. Okay, okay. Finish it and let me know. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see this again. I'll just clear the slide. Oh, see it. Okay, so what is given? We are seeing the same answer again. Okay, so let's just take an example. Now, 2 rupee coins. Okay, and 10 rupee coins. So how many 2 rupee coins? 5. Now, how do you find the value of all the 2 rupee coins? The denomination is 2 rupees into the number of coins, 5. So the value of all the 2 rupee coins is rupees 10. Correct? Yeah. Next, the denomination is 10. 10 rupees. That's a denomination. Into, multiplied by how many 10 rupee coins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right? Into 9. So what's the value of all the 10 rupee coins? 90 rupees. Now, what's the total value of money you have? 100 rupees. So how do you find the value of money? Denomination into number of coins or denomination into number of notes. Simple. 10 rupees is the denomination into the number of notes or number of coins. Will give you the value of the money. Now, if you add these two, you will get the total value of money you have. This is the value of all the 2 rupee coins. This is the value. Look at the board. Look, this is the value of all the 10 rupee coins. This is the value of all 2 rupee coins. This is the value of all the 10 rupee coins. When you add, this is the total value of money you have in your purse. So what did we assume here? Let the number of 2 rupee coins be X. Therefore, number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 3x, because it is given that in the question, it's given that the number of 1 rupee coins is, S means equal to is 3 times the number of 2 rupee coins is given. This is given in the question. So see here, can you see number of 2 rupee coins here? Call it as X. So let the number of 2 rupee coins be X. So then what's the number of 1 rupee coins? It will be 3 into X. What is 3 into X? Number of 1 rupee coins. Number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 3 into x, because number of 2 rupee coins we have taken as x. So what is 3 into x then? 3 times x. 3 into x, what is that? That's the number of 1 rupee coins. So number of 1 rupee coins is equal to 3x. Now we've done the assumption with regard to number of coins. Now we'll have to find the value of money. Okay, so what is the value of all the, anything you can find first, 2 rupee coins, 1 rupee coins, anything you can find first. What's the value for all the 2 rupee coins? 2 rupee coins, what's the value? How do you find the value? First, you should write the denomination 2 rupees into the number of coins, x. So rupees 2x. What's the value of all the 1 rupee coins? 1 rupee coins is equal to, first write the denomination 1 rupee into the number of coins, 3x. So rupees 3x. Yeah. So now what's the total value of money? Total value of money, 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x, rupees 5x. Correct? Louder, louder. Value of 2 rupee coins. 2 rupees is the denomination and number of coins is x. So 2 into x is 2x. Yeah. Okay. No, you're stuck somewhere. Where? What? This is the denomination. 2 rupees. 2 is the denomination multiplied by the number of coins. Number of coins is x. No, you can ask me. You got it? Your denomination is 1 rupee. 1. How many coins? 3x. So 1 into 3x is 3x. 1 into anything is the same thing. So 3x. 2 into x is 2x. So what's the total value of money? 2x plus 3x, 5x. X, 2 plus 3, 5. But what's the value of money given in the question? 120. This is also the value of money, 5x. But it's given 120 in the question. That means 5x is equal to 120. Both represent the same. 5x is the total value of money. 120 is also the total value of money. So the equation is 5x is equal to 120. Now solve this. X is equal to 120 divided by 5. X is equal to 24. So who's x? The number of 2 rupee coins. So the number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 24. Very important question. Don't make it very complicated. Please understand. It's a very practical question, right? Yeah, so it's easy to understand. So don't try to memorize or something. Don't try to memorize the steps. Please understand what's happening. This comes all the way till 10th standard. All the way seriously till 10th standard. This money related problems, not the same question. Okay. Okay. Each of the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle is twice as large as a third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is 30 centimeters, find the length of each side of the triangle. What is given? Now, let's mark, let's call the triangle ABC. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. With AB equal to AC. What's given? Each of the equal sides is twice as large. Equal sides are large, twice as large as a third side. So if the third side is x, then these are twice as large, twice as large. That means two times this side, 2 into x, 2x. Twice meaning 2 into 2. Twice what? 2 times what? 2 times the third side. Twice or 2 times what? The third side. 2 times the third side is equal to each of the equal sides. Isosceles triangle. 2 sides are equal. Okay. The other side is called the third side. Now the equal sides, each of the equal sides is 2 times the third side. So if you call the third side as x, then the equal sides will be twice this one. So 2 into x, 2x. So let the third side be x centimeters. Therefore, each of the equal sides is equal to 2 into x, which is 2x centimeter. But directly you can write 2x. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, we're coming. So we're done with the assumption now. Now we'll have to construct the equation. We are done with the assumption. Let the third side be x. So the equal sides are 2x each. We're done with the assumption. Now we have to construct the equation. So this is the information which we have not still used, right? Perimeter is 30 centimeters. This information we have not still used. This one we have already used to assume the length of the sides. Perimeter of the triangle is 30 centimeters, is still not used, and we're going to use this to construct the equation. So how do you find the perimeter? What is perimeter? The sum of all the 3 sides of the triangle. Here, the sum of the 3 sides of the triangle is equal to the perimeter of the triangle. Okay, so it's given perimeter of the triangle is equal to 30 centimeters. So what is perimeter? The sum of the 3 sides. So x plus 2x plus 2x. The sum of the 3 sides. What's the length of this side? X centimeters. What's the length of this side? 2x centimeters. What's the length of this side? 2x centimeters. 2x centimeters. Is equal to 30. The sum of the 3 sides is equal to 30. So 2x, 2x, 1x. How do you add? When you add like terms, the answer is also like terms. So x as it is. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. X means 1x. There's 1 there. 5x is equal to 30. 30 by 5. X is equal to 6. The question is find the length of each side of the triangle. Find the length of each side of the triangle. Okay. Okay, therefore, third side is equal to, or you can write length of the third side. Length of the, no, don't start writing, wait. Length of the third side is equal to 6 centimeters, correct? Each of the equal sides is equal to what, Tanya? Ma'am, in Kate Pura, question Kate. Yes. See, 2x. That is 2 into 6, which is 12 centimeters. Yeah. Only you and Ovia were listening to this answer. She was listening and then she started writing. Yeah, okay. As you write any questions, please ask me. All right. We'll do this again. Yeah, listen. So it's given that each of the two equal sides of an equilateral triangle is twice. Oh, each of the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle is twice. Equal sides is twice as large as a third side. So which one is large? Equal sides large. Equal sides are larger. Each of the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is twice as large. That one is large as the third side. So let the third side be x centimeters. You must read the question many times and get used to, expressing information like this. So when you read this, it should be easy for you to interpret, okay, this is what is meant here. You shouldn't be searching for how to understand, how to understand. You should read the question. See, word problems, you should read the question many times. Get used to the question. No, no, nothing like that.
The other, like A, B sides are longer than to connect both of them. It also has each.
See here, I'll draw. Or it can be like this also. These two sides are small, and then depends on the angle. If this angle is like 80 degrees, this one is 80 degrees, and this is 20 degrees, then this will be very small. So constructions, unfortunately, all that is removed from the CBSE syllabus. So it's become very theoretical now. As it is, it was, now it's become all the more theoretical because all the construction part is removed. We didn't have much of construction, but that part also is removed now. It is possible. You can have an isosceles triangle with the equal sides longer than the third side. Okay, so let the third side, let the length of the third side be, let the third side meaning let the length of the third side be x centimeters. So the length of the two equal sides is equal to 2 into x because twice, no, so 2 into x, 2x centimeters. Assumption is done. So how do you construct the equation? Perimeter is given. Perimeter is not half base into height. That is area. Area is half base into height. Perimeter is what? The sum of the three sides of the triangle. What is perimeter? The length of the boundary. The length of the boundary of the closed figure is the perimeter. So here the sum of the three sides is equal to the perimeter. So x plus 2x plus 2x is equal to 30. 5x is 30. X is equal to 30 by 5, which is 6. So what is x? The third side. So third side is 6. Equal sides 2 into 6, 12 centimeters. So the triangle is 12, 12 and 6. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. So the perimeter is 30. All right. Why don't you do this, Riddle? You haven't tried this, right? Yeah, I want you to do this because, again, it involves a lot of, language and communication. So try it yourself. We'll see it in the next class. I've shared this image already on WhatsApp. Oh, if you are interested, you can do it. If you want to, you can do. See, I always, like suggest prefer children writing the question and then working the answer. It's preferred because how if you're referring, then without the question, how will you just read the answer and understand? Quickly, you don't have to draw these faces. Just put a cloud and write this, that's all. You just draw a face like this, no? Just draw a face like this and yeah, and a cloud and write this. Yeah. Write and then put the cloud. If you put the cloud and then write, maybe you will not have sufficient space. So make the face. Okay. Okay, and then write, and then put a cloud around it. You have to remind me. Next class, you should tell me that we have to discuss this answer. Hmm. Okay, so we'll come back and we'll learn how to solve equations. Okay, so here it is 3 and in brackets x minus 5. Now, what's the sign between 3 and this bracket multiplication, right? The sign or the operation between 3 and this bracket is multiplication. So, and we know when the question is solved, we have to work and find the value of the variable. The variable is x. So we have to find the value of the variable x. Correct? For which we have to have x alone on the left hand side. We'll have to have x alone on the right hand side, sorry, left hand side. So what are the other things with x we see here? We see this 3 and 5. We need to take them to the other side. We need to transpose 3 and 5. Then x will stand alone in the left hand side, correct? So we'll have to take 3 to the other side and 5 to the other side. When we do that, x will be alone, on the left hand side. And like that, we find the value of x. Okay. So now we know that the operation between 3 and the bracket is multiplication. So when 3 comes to the other side, it comes for division. Okay. So x minus 5 is equal to 30 divided by 3. Is this understood? You can remove the bracket. You don't have to put the bracket. You can just remove it. Yeah. They ask you to multiply. No, you should not multiply. You should not multiply. You need not multiply. That is for simplifying. Like if you have to add, see, like if the question is add this and then you have to open the brackets. Here you'll have to open the brackets to add 3. In an equation, you should not. In an equation, you need not multiply. Sorry? Which type of questions? This one. What we're solving now in school. No. Agarwal has it. Okay. No, nothing. You can ask me. If it's not clear, you can ask me. So 3 come. You don't when you're solving equations, you don't have to open the bracket. Do not do this. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 5, minus 15. Don't do that when you're solving. When it's an equation, you're solving to find the value of the variable. Don't open the bracket. Okay. So now this 3 comes down for division. Okay. So x minus 5 is equal to what? 10. Correct? Correct? So x minus 5, 3 ones are, 3 tens are. So now x minus, now what is there with x on the left hand side? 5. And the operation connecting x and 5 is subtraction. So 5 goes to the other side for addition, right? So tell me what I should write. X. Write everything else. Write everything other than what you're transposing. What do you have to transpose? 5, right? Don't write 5. Don't see 5. What are the other things you see other than 5? You see x is equal to, you see 10. Write all that. Ignore that 5. Now see, look at that 5. So it's minus 5, right? So it comes to the other side as plus 5. Got it? Write the equation without writing the term which has to be transposed. Now we have to transpose 5. Right? Don't write that. Write the equation without that. So x is equal to 10. Write that. Now write the one which has to be transposed. Minus 5 is on the left hand side. So it comes to the other side. The minus 5 is on the left hand side. It comes to the right hand side as plus 5, right? Now write that. So x is equal to 15. Got it? Take down. Come here. Yeah, this is go on. You have after that don't do good. Yeah, do this one. This one for you. No, don't do that. No, no, no. Now do this. Come back to me after finishing this. Handwriting? Hmm. Ready? Okay. So here what you have to do is, see, we have an expression here plus another expression is equal to 32. 5 plus 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to 32. So solve meaning we'll have to work this equation and find the value of y. Find the value of y, for which we need to have y standing alone on the left hand side. So we need to slowly take, this 5, this 3, this 2, and 4 to the other side. Okay. Now first take this 5 to the other side. Now see here, there are two expressions connected by the plus sign. This is one expression, this is the other expression. They are connected by the plus sign. Take this one to the other side. So write the rest of the equation other than what you have to transpose. You have to transpose 5. Don't write that. Write the rest of the equation. So you're going to write 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to 32. Okay. Now we need to take 5 to the other side, right? So it's plus 5. So it comes to the other side as minus 5. This is the first step. So now write 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to, what is 32 minus 5? 27. 27. Okay. Now, this question is like this one. Like this one. So next what? 3 has to come to the other side, right? So write everything else other than what you have to transpose. So write 2y plus 4 is equal to 27. Now we have to transpose 3, right? So it comes to the other side as divided by 3. 1s are 9s. Now you have to take this plus 4 to the other side. So write all the others other than plus 4. So 2y is equal to 9. Now this plus 4 on the other side, minus 4. Now 2y is equal to 5. Now bring the 2 to the other side. So y is equal to 5 by 2 or y is equal to 2.5 or 2.5, whatever. Right? Write down. We'll do it again. Write down. Done, children? Finished? Yeah, we'll repeat this. So we have 5 plus 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to 32. So as we have understood, we need to have y alone on the left hand side. So we have to take 5, 3, 2 and 4 to the right hand side. And how do we look at this equation? On the left hand side, we have 5 and this expression connected by the plus sign. On the left hand side, we have 5 and this expression connected by the plus sign is equal to 32. So first we're going to transpose 5. So write the rest of the equation other than 5. Write the rest of it. So 3, 2y plus 4 is equal to 32. Now this 5, the sign for 5 is before that. This one you should see. Plus 5. So it comes to the other side as minus 5. Now you'll ask me, what if it was a minus here? What if it was a minus here? Supposing. You know what? Then, see, this is plus 5. If there was a minus here, we're going to write down this minus here. We have to write the rest of the equation other than what we are transposing, right? We're going to take this 5 to the other side. This 5 is plus 5. Always, the sign is before the number. The sign is always prefixed. 5 is plus 5. This one, 5 minus 5. This sign, not. If it is 5 minus something, this minus sign is not for 5. For a number, sign is always before it, not after it. This minus sign has nothing. Minus sign is an operation. This is not the sign which 5 carries. That's the operation between two things. if the situation was this, if it was 5 minus 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to 32, Danya, look at the board. Attention quotient. Okay, so 45 minutes. So, people say children cannot focus after 45 minutes. I don't know. Somehow I don't know. I don't believe in that. We stay at school for 6, 7 hours, right? Yeah, it's just that you change the subjects and you get about 5 minutes in the middle to, talk when one teacher has to exit and the other teacher has to enter. Then we have to listen, right? Yeah. Is it that you're not able to concentrate? Yeah, Danya? Sometimes. So you need to practice it. Meditate பண்ணுங்க. உங்களுக்கு if one I'll tell you one this. Oh, blank. Okay. Yeah. So I was telling you, if this equation was 5 minus 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to 32. Okay. So then 5 and this expression are connected by the minus sign. Okay. Now we need to transpose 5. We need to transpose 5. Louder, children. No, I'm trying to explain if it is a minus, how we need to handle the situation. If it were a minus. Okay, so then write the rest of the equation other than what you have to transpose. So we have to transpose 5. Write the rest of the equation. Okay, so minus 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to 32. Write the rest of the equation other than what you have to transpose. So 5 is what we have to transpose. Don't write that. Write the rest of the equation. So minus 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to 32. Now this 5, you cannot just let it go like that, right? So you'll have to bring it to the other side. Now this 5 is plus 5. It comes to the other side as minus 5. I'm trying to say that if there was a minus sign here, you need to write the minus sign here. 5 carries a plus sign. The sign for 5 is before it, not this sign, not this minus, is what I was trying to say. Okay. Then it will be minus 3 of 2y plus 4 is equal to, what is 32 minus 5? 27. Now you need to bring this minus 3 to the other side. Next, we'll have to transpose this. Okay, so write the rest of the equation other than what you have to transpose. So you want to transpose minus 3. You have to. It's not a choice. You have to transpose minus 3. You cannot transpose any others. You'll have to take 2 and 4 also to the other side. You also have to take 2 and 4 to the other side, but you don't have a choice. You cannot take 2 or 4 to the other side. Okay, you have to take minus 3. At this point, you have to take minus 3 to the other side. So minus 3 and this expression are connected by the multiplication sign. Minus 3 and this expression 2y plus 4. You are separating minus 3 from this one, right? You're separating minus 3 from this expression. They are connected with the multiplication sign. So minus 3 goes to the other side as minus 3 itself, but for division. You're separating minus 3. Minus 3 is connected with 2y plus 4 in multiplication. Ouch. In multiplication, right? So you are now separating minus 3 from 2y plus 4. They are connected in multiplication. So minus 3 goes to the other side as minus 3 only, but for division. So next step will be write the rest of the equation other than what you have to transpose. So 2y plus 4 is equal to 27. What we have not written, minus 3 we have not written because we'll have to take that to the other side. We have not written minus 3. Now, as I told you, it's multiplication. So minus 3 comes to the other side for division, right? So now 2y plus 4 is equal to 3 ones are 3 nines are. It is a minus here, so minus 9. So 2y is equal to minus 9. Now you have to take plus 4 to the other side. You have to take plus 4 to the other side. So it will be minus 4. So 2y is equal to minus 13. Now the 2 comes to division. Y is equal to minus 13 by 2. Okay. And now tell me. I will come back to this equation where it is 5 plus 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to 32. Yeah, tell me fast. Loud. 3 into 2y plus 4. My voice is 3 times the sum of your voices put together. The frequency of my voice is, I think, 10 times the sum of all your voices put together. Loud, loud, loud. Yeah, 32 minus 5. 3 into 2y plus 4 is equal to 27. Oh, this step, okay. No, I'm right now. Now I'm going to transpose. Right now, here I've only subtracted. 32 minus 5 is 27. I've only subtracted. Now, 2y plus 4 is equal to by 3. Now cancel. 3 ones are 3 nines are. Now, whom should you take to the other side? 4. So write the rest of the equation other than 4. 2y is equal to 9. Now plus 4 becomes minus 4. So 2. Now subtract. 2y is equal to 5. Now y is equal to 5 by 2, which is 2.5 or 2.5. 2.5 or 2.5. All right. Five p by 2 is equal to 60. Okay. Now, what is 5p by 2? Can I write it as 5 by 2 into p is equal to 60? Can I write it like this? 5p by 2 is nothing but, ouch. It's nothing but 5 by 2 into p is equal to 60, correct? So 5 by 2 and p, they are connected by the multiplication sign. So when you transpose 5 by 2, it goes for division. So write the rest of the equation other than 5 by 2. So don't write 5 by 2 because that has to be transposed. Don't write that. All right. So p is equal to 60, right? Now 5 by 2 on the other side. Divided by 5 by 2. Correct? So p is equal to 60 into 2 by 5. 5 ones. Huh? You can also do it like that. I'll tell you that also. 5 ones are 5, 12 are 60. So p is equal to 12 to the 24. Right? What is 5p by 2? 5 by 2 into p. Correct? 5 by 2 into p. 5 by 2 into p is equal to 60. What's the operation? You have to separate 5 by 2 from p, right? You have to separate 5 by 2 from p. How are they connected? By the multiplication sign. So when you take 5 by 2 to the other side, it goes for division. Divided by 5 by 2. The number will go as it is, but the operation is division. Okay. So don't write this one. Write the rest of the equation. P is equal to 60. Now 5 by 2 becomes divided by 5 by 2. Right? So P is equal to 60. Division becomes multiplication, and 5 by 2, it's reciprocal, 2 by 5. Or simplify. And 12 2s are 24. So P is equal to 24. All right? Yeah, do it. Done? Completed, Deepthi? What is the number 1/3 of which added to 7 gives 9? What you should find the number 1/3 of which added to 7 gives 9. Correct. Let the number be x. 1/3 of what is the number? 1/3 of which, meaning 1/3 of the number. 1/3 of which, meaning 1/3 of the number added to 7 gives 9. Let the number be x. 1/3 of the number added to 7 gives 9. So 1/3 of the number is 1 by 3 into x. Added to 7 gives 9. So x by 3, correct? Plus 7, or you can have this 1 by x into 3 also. Sorry, 1 by 3 into x also. So x by 3 plus 7 is equal to 9. X by 3 is equal to 9 minus 7. X by 3 is equal to 2. Now, you can do this in 2 ways. You can just learn this new thing. So when you have a situation like this, you can say just cross multiply. Cross multiply. That is cross multiply. So x is equal to 2 into 3. X is equal to 6. See, when to cross multiply? To cross multiply, you should have only one fraction on the left hand side and one fraction on the right hand side. Like if you have x by 4 is equal to say 19 or say 16 by 3. You have one fraction on the left hand side and one fraction on the right hand side, right? So now you can cross multiply. When you have a situation like this, you can cross multiply. So just take this to the other side. So x is equal to, write that 16 by 3 as it is. Now this 4 will be into 4. Or if you want the detailed steps, see, I'll introduce this to you maybe a little later. So what do you have here? X by 3 is equal to 2, right? Now what is x by 3 actually? 1 by 3 into x, right? Is equal to 2, correct? So now you need to take 1 by 3 to the other side. So x is equal to its multiplication. So it becomes divided by 1 by 3, correct? So x is equal to 2, division becomes multiplication, and 1 by 3, it's reciprocal, 3. So x is equal to 6. Or you can straight away say x by 3 is equal to 2, cross multiply, x is equal to 2 into 3, x is equal to 6. Right? And children, solve for x. It's a capital X. We change it to small x, okay? We'll just change this to small x. Right? Yeah. Ready? So the equation is 3 into x plus 5 minus 9 is equal to 2 into x minus 2 plus 7. Now here the situation is different. Now so far, in the equation, the RHS just had a constant. The RHS, the right hand side just had a constant. You always had a number. See here, 30. RHS, 30, 32, 60, 9. And all the equations we have seen earlier also, it just had one constant on the RHS. The word problems we constructed yesterday, those mangoes and what was that? I think 5x plus 4 is equal to 100 or 8x plus 4 is equal to 100. So all the equations we've seen so far, on the right hand side, we had only a constant, right? Okay, now this is different. This is different. Both the left hand side and the right hand side have the variable x. Can you see here? On the left hand side, you have the variable x. On the right hand side also, you have the variable x. So this is different. This is where we have to simplify both the left hand side and the right hand side. So what you have to do is you have to open the brackets here. How to open the brackets? 3 into x. What is 3 into x? Now, when do we do this? When do we do this? When? Yeah. So when on both the sides you have the variable x. You have the variable x on both the sides. When the left hand side, if the right hand side has a constant, you understood how we handle the situation. See like this. Now here, both the left hand side and the right hand side have the variable x. So you have to open the brackets. 3 into x, 3x. 3 into 5, so plus 15. Then minus 9 is equal to 2 into x, 2x. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Then plus 7. Now simplify the left hand side. What do we have here? Plus 15 minus 9. So write 3x as it is. What is plus 15 minus 9? Plus 6. Plus 6 is equal to, what is minus 4 plus 7? Plus 3. So 2x plus 3. Now you have to collect all the x terms. So what you have to do is open the brackets on the left hand side and right hand side. Simplify the LHS, simplify the RHS. So see, this is what it is. So we have simplified and we have got 3x plus 6. We have simplified the right hand side and have got 2x plus 3. Now in all, how many terms are there on both the sides? 2 plus 2, 4 terms. Here we have 2 terms. Here we have 2 terms. How many x terms? 2 x terms and 2 constants. So you have to have the x terms on one side, x terms on the left hand side and the numbers on the right hand side. You have to have the x terms on the, see, totally there are 4 terms. 2 x terms and 2 constants. Have the x terms on the left hand side and the constants on the right hand side. So write this 3x as it is. 2x from the RHS moves to the LHS. So it's plus 2x. It will become minus 2x. Correct? Is equal to, where is 3? RHS. It's there only. It's going to be there only. Now from the left hand side, who's going to come to the right hand side? 6 plus 6. So it comes to the other side as minus 6. It comes to the right hand side as minus 6. So see here, what we have done is we've transposed this. 2x comes to the left hand side as minus 2x, plus 6 to the right hand side as minus 6. So 3x minus 2x, x is equal to 3 minus 6, minus 3. So the value of x is minus 2. All right, write down. Done, children? Dipti, done? Okay. Kavisha's mother is 35 years old. She is 5 years older than 6 times Kavisha's age. Find the age of Kavisha. Kavisha is a daughter, and there's the other character, Kavisha's mother. Kavisha's mother's age is given to you. Kavisha's mother is 35 years old. Kavisha's mother's age is given to us, 35 years old. Kavisha's mother is 5 years older than 6 times Kavisha's age. So with this, we can also construct an expression to represent Kavisha's mother's age. We can use this to represent, we can use this to, construct an expression to represent Kavisha's mother's age. So see here. Yeah, it's already given. Kavisha's mother's age is already given. And with this information, we can also construct an expression to represent Kavisha's mother's age. So see. So since it's 6 times, can you see 6 times Kavisha's age? So don't you think we'll have to take Kavisha's age as x? Because see here we have 6 times Kavisha's age. Then you should know Kavisha's age, right? Or you should assume Kavisha's age, right? Then only you can write 6 times Kavisha's age. So let Kavisha's age be x years. Let Kavisha's age be x years. Okay. Therefore, Kavisha's mother's age is equal to what is given? So it's given that. Oh, I think it's. Oh, I mistook. Okay. How much have we finished? Yeah. Kavisha's mother's age is equal to. Read this. She is 5 years older than. 5 years older than. Okay, 1 minute. 6 times Kavisha's age. 6 times Kavisha's age, meaning 6 into x. See, I've told you what comes, after older than, more than, less than, that should be written first. Whatever comes after more than, less than, older than, what comes after than, that you should write first. So what comes after older than? 6 times Kavisha's age, write that first. 6 times Kavisha's age, 6 into x. 5 years older, meaning plus 5. 6x plus 5. Kavisha's mother's age is Kavisha's mother is 5 years older than 6 times Kavisha's age. 6 times meaning 6 into. 6 into Kavisha's age, x, 6x plus 5. But it's given that Kavisha's mother. So what is 6x plus 5? This expression represents Kavisha's mother's age. But we already know she's 35 years old. Yeah, so 6x plus 5 is equal to 35 is the equation. So Kavisha is 5 years old. Yeah. It's okay. You can leave. Yes. Yeah, leave the book. Yes.
Open the page which is
Within the day.
uh, the date. No, it's
From here. Okay. See you. Completed, Deepti? Yeah. What about others here? Okay. If 10 is subtracted from 4 times a number, it becomes the same as 10 added to 3 times the same number. Find the number. Yeah. I want it from your end. Deepti, try this one. What is 10 subtracted from 4 times a number? What is 4 times a number, Deepti? Okay, what is 4 times a number? 4x. 10 subtracted from 4 times a number. Which one should you write first? After whatever is after from. What is after from? 4 times a number. So 4x first. Then minus 10. So if 10 is subtracted from 4 times a number, it becomes the same as. That means equal to. It becomes the same as. That means is equal to 10 added to 10 added to 10 is added to something. No, that should come first. 10 is added to something which is already there. 10 is added to something which is already there. So plus 10 here. 10 added to 3 times the same number. 3x. This is the equation. So how do we solve this? So how many terms in all? How many terms we have in all? 4 terms. No, in all 4 terms. 2 x terms and 2 numbers. 2 constants. So we'll have to have the 2 x terms on the left hand side and the 2 constants on the right hand side. Okay, so let's transpose. 4x is already on the left hand side. Write it as it is. Now 3x has to come from the RHS to the LHS. So it'll become minus 3x. Correct? Put the equal to sign. What is already on the right hand side? 10. Write that first. 10 is already there. Write that first. What is already on the RHS? Write that first. Now who's traveling to the RHS? Minus 10 as plus 10. Correct? So x is equal to 20. So the number is 20. Therefore, the number is 20. Okay. Sure. Okay. Each of the two completed, Deepti?
One minute, ma'am. Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Okay. Each of the two equal sides of an isosceles. No, this is here the perimeter is different. We have taken a similar question earlier. Yes. Each of the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle is thrice as large as the third side. In that question, it was twice as large. Okay, so each of the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle is thrice as large. Equal sides are larger, thrice as large as the third side. So the third side, this is the third side, okay? Equal sides. Okay, that's already marked. I don't have to write that. Okay. So if the third side is x centimeter, then what about the length of the equal sides? 3x, 3x centimeters. So what do we write? Let the length of the third side, correct? Let the length of the third side be x centimeters. Therefore, the length of each, correct? Equal side, each equal side is equal to 3x centimeter. What's perimeter? That's about the assumption part. Now equation, perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle is equal to 210. Don't write the symbol, you write triangle, centimeter. So how do we find perimeter? Sum of the three sides. So x plus 3x plus 3x. Or you can write 3x plus 3x plus x. You can also write 3x. Any order is equal to 210. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7x is equal to 210. X is equal to 210 divided by 7, 30 times. X is equal to 30. Now we need to find the length of each side of the triangle. So x is equal to 30. So the third side is 30, correct? So each of the equal sides will be 3 into 30, 90 centimeters. Completed, Deepthi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One next. Good evening. Yeah. We'll work this and wind the session for today. If 2x plus 3 is equal to 5, then the value of, I think I have the question separately. No. Okay. Yeah, Chota. So tell me 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. So 2x is equal to, quick. 5 minus 3. Then 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. 2 by 2. So x is equal to 1. Now tell me what's the value of 3x plus 2? 3x plus 2 will be 3 into 1 plus 2. So that is 3. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2, 5. So then the value of 3x plus 2 is 5. It's given 2x plus 3 is equal to 5, right? So you'll have to solve that equation and find the value of x. After getting the value of x, put that in this expression 3x plus 2 and find the value of the expression. Okay, it's time, children. I thought I can finish it, but it's time. So we'll continue the next class. So the question is new. If 2x plus 3 is equal to 5, then find the value of 3x plus 2. So you'll have to solve this equation. You have to solve this equation and find the value of x. And that value of x you'll have to put here in place of x and find the value of this expression. This is an expression. See, there's no equality sign here. This is an expression. This is an equation. Expression you cannot solve. You can only find the value of the expression. This is an equation. So solve this equation, find the value of x, put the value of x here and find the value of this expression. Right? All right, children. That's it for today's session. Thank you. Thank you, Deepthi. You may leave the call.